Today, YTC will show you how to install a SATA hard drive into your computer.
This is the SATA hard drive.
This is the installation rail for the hard drive. Look for the notches on the installation rail. First, you snap the hard drive into the installation rails,
Lining the installation rails with the notches.
lining the notches with the holes. Then you slide the hard drive into the bay.
Put each SATA cable into the appropriate connector.
Thank you to the Evanston Community Foundation. Thank you for watching.